as well as an inner liner. God damn it. Yeah, the first one was good. You are watching the Moxi Roller Skates YouTube channel, and I'm Dita, also known as Miss Muertos on Instagram. Today we are gonna go through a really basic skate anatomy. All right, we're gonna do micro machines right now. You have the laces, you have the... No, I'm just kidding. Micro machines, you remember that guy? Don't know what to do with my hands. Skate anatomy. We're gonna go from the top down today. This is your boot. Your boot is comprised of multiple pieces: a liner, eyelets, and hooks. Also attached to the boot, we have what's known as the outsole. There is an insole, which is interchangeable, but you can see that I haven't. Also attached to the main part of the boot is your laces. As we move down, we have your plate. The plate attaches with mounting screws through the outsole of your boot to bolts on the inside. Your plate is made up of this main piece that has a pivot cup on the front and the back, a toe stop housing, and a portion of holes that are used to set your kingpins in. The kingpin situation has the main kingpin that runs through here, as well as the kingpin nut. Stacked onto the kingpin, we have washers, bushings. This whole component is the truck. We'll go into that. Bushing, washer, lock nut. This truck component is comprised of the hanger, the axle, and the pivot pin. On top of the axle, you have the wheel portion of your roller skate, which is comprised of the wheel, the bearing, and an axle nut. We can break the bearing down further too. Within this bearing, you have an inner race, an outer race, ball bearings, a retainer to hold those ball bearings, and a shield to protect it from dust and debris. An extra component of the skate that I have on mine is the slide block. Oh yeah, toe stop. Thank you for joining me on this quick annoyance of airplanes. I'd like to thank you for joining us here on the Moxi YouTube channel. F***ing A. Who knew outros were so hard? What? It's so hard to say goodbye. Right, now we're gonna get flagged because you know my singing was so close to what was actually going on. Thanks for joining us today on this quick rundown of skate anatomy. This is the Moxi Roller Skate YouTube channel, and I am Dita. If you liked this video or found anything useful or at least interesting, go ahead, like and subscribe. See you next time.